Okie dokie! Hey! Today on the agenda is to fix the pesky horn. So every single time I went for a ride, the horn comes off. I have made different mounts, I have made different things, and it always falls off. This mount I think is much more solid and would last, but because I have drilled out the main support, which kept breaking, now the horn doesn't work because I took a crucial component of it out of it from the electromagnet in the middle. So we are going back to a little bit repair. I have an old horn and we're gonna use this to mount in there, so I have to make some new brackets how to make this work. So let's get to it. So I want to make this to fit there and then mount the cover. So I'll need to figure out how to attach this thing to there and how to make a bracket to still use the cover. So let's see what I can make. Some little figuring out. That's the horn, there's the cover, there's a little thing, a notch over there. So I'm gonna make a little piece of metal like that to which I'll weld to the end of here, and we'll go together there. And then once I have this, I'll measure the other one. I'll see how we go. Alright, one bracket is made. Just need to trim it on the other side. My welding shit, but I adjusted the power so it's better. I'll do another one from down here, come down and along there to that hole. So now the cover will be not supported by the horn itself. So and it's gonna be a little resonating chamber, so it's gonna be pretty noisy, I'd say. This is my attire, sent from Slovakia by my father. Has a little leather protection, and of course I got a kiwi safety boots. But yeah, it works. That probably sums it up. Not the most beautiful thing. But it's a trial. It's a trial. Let's see if it lasts and if it works.